Welcome to English Fun Quiz. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin.
What is a synonym for happy? The correct answer is B, joyful. Happy and joyful both describe positive emotions. What is a synonym for large? The correct answer is B, huge. Large and huge both describe something of significant size. What is a synonym for angry? The correct answer is a mad. Angry and mad both describe a feeling of annoyance or frustration. What is a synonym for beautiful? The correct answer is B, pretty. Beautiful and pretty both describe something aesthetically pleasing. The correct answer is C, relaxed. Calm and relaxed both describe a feeling of peace or tranquility. What is a synonym for difficult?
The correct answer is A, hard. Difficult and hard both describe something that requires a lot of effort or skill. What is a synonym for kind? The correct answer is C, generous. Kind and generous both describe a person who is considerate and helpful. What is a synonym for quiet? The correct answer is C, silent. Quiet and silent both describe a lack of noise or sound. What is a synonym for smart? The correct answer is D, intelligent. Smart and intelligent both describe a person who is knowledgeable or clever. What is a synonym for vast? The correct answer is B, huge. Vast and huge both describe something of great size or extent.